Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So today's problem is related to Valorant downloading problem. If you are stuck at the Valorant 13%, 61%, 0.1 KB per second installing problem, how you can fix this problem I will tell you. So hope you like this video and subscribe our channel. Recently many users are facing this problem and I am also stuck at 61% with speed of 0.1 kbs per second. What I did, I only did method first that I will tell you now. You can try that, and that method worked for me. I restart my laptop and then I check that it already installed, and because sometimes there is some glitches in laptop, that's why this problem arises. You need to restart your PC. So if restarting does not help, then try second number method. Uninstall Avista antivirus, AVAST antivirus. You need to uninstall, and Avast install on my PC for the longest time, and when I'm trying to download Valorant, so Avast antivirus deleted this, and this will case my problem. So you need to uninstall Avast antivirus and then try to download this, and your problem will be solved. So you can also do that, turn off the antivirus. All the antivirus that are installed in your devices, you need to turn it off and then try, your problem will be solved.